What started as a wild rumor at the beginning of the year will become reality in a few months. Yes, Volvo is preparing to release its first ever minivan, which is described as a Scandinavian living room on wheels. Called the EM90, the Swedish family car is meant to create a living space and will debut on November 12 when bookings open first in parent company Geely's home country of China. Despite the move under the Geely wing, Volvo has retained all the design flair from the Swedes, and their latest models look simply chic, and the EM90 should be no exception. More teasers will be released between today and the debut date, and in the meantime, the first announcement features a bird's eye view of the EM90. It's hard not to notice the panoramic sunroof for the rear passengers, along with much smaller glass for the driver and front passenger. Since this is a minivan, the sliding doors on both sides of the vehicle are more important. Volvo's first minivan appears to be large enough to accommodate 3 rows of seats. Other than the fact that it's all electric, other details remain in mystery. However, the EM90 is likely related to the Zeekr 009, a custom minivan from one of Geely's many brands. The move seems almost fitting, given that one of the adjacent images shows the 009's roof looking almost identical to that of Volvo's upcoming luxury car. The door handles, antenna, side mirrors, and other details seem unchanged. Given that the EM90 is a facelifted version of the 009 with different taillights and a backlit Volvo script, some details can be discussed. Based on the SEA platform, which is shared with the Lotus Elektro and Polestar 5, the Zeekr 009 has a pair of electric motors providing a total of 534 horsepower, or 398 kilowatts. It is good enough to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers in 4.5 seconds. And the mighty 140 kWh battery lasts for 822 kilometers in the China Light Vehicle Test Cycle. The Volvo EM90 won't be the only premium minivan, as Buick has already sold the GL8 for several years and the Lexus LM recently joined the niche. It should be noted that there could also be a base-level version, given that the Zeekr 009 has a rear-mounted engine variant with a smaller 116 kWh battery.